Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. I am Dravish Rawat. In this video, I am going to talk on a topic sales manager. Sales manager roles and responsibilities. So let's begin the topic. First of all, let's understand who is sales manager. A salesperson in an organization refers to a person who is uh, whose roles and responsibility were to understand and check the sales policies related to the sales in an organization and also make the coordination between sales force and uh, sales department, and what are the target given by the sales department to the salesman. The process from their from department to the sales force has to be gone through the taking decision by the sales manager. He only first check the all the activities, all the target, then he give the direction. Yeah, you can pass to the sales force or to salesman, then they will go and try to complete the target. Now let's understand what are the roles and responsibilities of salesman. The first one is do the sales research and product research. A sales manager do the does the sales research and also product research. He understand what are the need of an customer is there in the market, what type of product he is willing to buy, and what are the types of product he will spend the money in that type of product. So according to that need, the manager give the suggestion or opinion to the top level management to make the product according to the need of an customers. The second one is make the try to increase the sale of sales force by mentoring them and giving the authority to take decisions regarding these sales. How the if they need some of the power, if they want to buy some of the things which can give small gifts and also give to the customer, then they can do that, and the expenses will be paid by the company. Then the salesman will be motivated to work fastly in an organization, because they will also understand that yeah, the organization is also uh, thinking about their opinions. Yeah, they can do this and that, and they also take these steps to also follow that what are these target are given by top level, they will do efficiently and effectively, because they will also understand that yeah, now the company is also thinking about us and they are also taking my opinion. The third one is listening to the top level management, and what are the targets top level has given to the sales to the manager. That target should be told to the sales force and they have to complete that target. It is an hierarchy which has to be done in an organization. Through this hierarchy all the process has come, and last one from top level to the salesman, this flow is followed in organization, and they understand that yeah, now this month this target has arrived, so now they have to tell to the salesman to go and sell the product and achieve that target. The second one is so sorry third one is uh, advise the uh, advise the top level management regarding the sales policies, because they are the one, because sales manager are the one who mostly focus on sales, who has the uh, who has the expertise in the sales, so they also contribute their opinions in the sales policies. The fourth one is getting the more result from the sales force and making them to work effectively, and also they motivate them to work hard. And so now the another one, the last one, roles and responsibilities of a sales manager is advising the uh, company to on various social media and sales promotion scheme, that how they can promote their product, whether they have to do the influencing marketing or the digital marketing, which will help them to grow their product sales. So these are some of the roles and responsibility of an sales manager. So this is all about today's video. Thank you everyone.